It sounds kind of strange at first, I agree, but what happens is that the virus has been known to be excreted in the feces for, well, since the beginning of the pandemic. It's not considered as a significant means of transmission, but it is that is what happens to the virus naturally. And so people have used that in selective ways to follow this chain of transmission, well, for almost a year now. It turns out for many months now, some people have been able to use wastewater and to look for parts of the viral genome in wastewater. So that has been very successful. The company that we work with, BioBot, has over 400 clients in 43 states. They've actually tested about 13% of the U.S. population as a result of all the testing that they've done. So they have a really national experience and database, a very well-established company for this. So we began talking with them probably 6 weeks ago and looking at the possibility. But the ability to identify a variant strain in wastewater is something that's very new. And so that's really when they developed that and they showed us their methods and have published information about that, how they do it, that's when we seriously got interested, because that was the question that we needed to know. We wanted to be prepared to understand if we began to see these changes in our clinical indicators, why that was happening. And so that's where the wastewater testing began to come from, the idea came from.